morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Hello guys, welcome back to It's Charlie's Time. I wanted to put together this very quick, simple product video because I want to share with you how I'm making Charlie's hair grow. A lot of you leave me comments, how are you getting her hair to grow so fast? I've been following your channel and I've noticed this girl is growing inches every time you do a style. And people are also contacting me on my blog, sending me emails like, can you help me and grow my children's hair? I really need help, da 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 da. I said, you know what? I have to put together this product video so I can help my people out there. So don't worry guys, sit back, I got you. First and foremost, I want to go over my very first and favorite product that's on this table, and it's this one here. This one is by sekora&sefari. sekora&sefari Kids Hair Pudding Frizz-Free Curls. Guys, when I tell you, this product has to be one of those products that's making her hair grow, because ever since I've been using this hair pudding, I've noticed it's growing. Guys, and if you don't know anything about sekora&sefari out there, let me give you a little background history on this company. It's been around for many years. I can tell you, I know for a fact, over 30 years. And I'm sure it's way over that. This product has been known to make people's hair grow. The thing about it is, it's medicated, right? And so when my mom used to put it on my hair as a kid, it had that stink smell to me and kids as well, because it's like, oh, what you got in your hair? But my mom would put that in my hair, and she put braids in my hair, and I never got pressed, and I never got any perms or anything like that, and my hair grew like crazy. But now what sekora&sefari has done, they have did an updated version of it, and they've made it for kids. Guys, when I first saw this on the shelf, I opened it, of course, and I'm like, I can't take that smell if it's gonna be for kids. I sniffed it, I said, what? Oh, I'm here for it, honey. It has a citrus kind of smell, and it looks like this, guys. I gotta show you this. You see, can you really get a good view of that? It's so creamy, and the good thing about it is it's moisturizing, plus it has an oil to it. So when I'm braiding Charlie's hair, I like to put it on because it helps my hands really move through the braids. Even when I'm doing her ponytails, she's getting it. I use this on everything. And if you follow my videos, you're like, oh, she using that again? Yes, honey, because I'm here for it. And I got this from Walmart. Guys, and this only cost me $5.49. And when I tell you it lasts, and you saying this right here is a brand new one, because I went through my last one and it's very low, and I said for the video I'm going to show the new one so you guys can get a really good look at it. So this is my favorite product on this table, so I wanted to show you guys that first. My next product would be my product number 2 for my favorite products is this baby right here, this castor oil. Guys, I'm telling you, if you do not have this in your hair products, go out and get it, because I know for a fact this is the number 2 thing that's having Charlie's hair grow like crazy. This is black castor oil. This one is in the lavender scent. Smells so fresh and so good, honey. I love it. So when you see me pull this out, a lot of times it's a twist top. I pour some in my hand. I rub it all on her hair and I make sure I get it on the ends, and I make sure I go across her edges. I use this. But again, guys, this also is one of my favorite products, and it's by the same people, and it's black castor oil. Only difference is this one has this little tip. And I like this so when I do her braids, I can just go through her braids with it. Also, when I put this on her hair, I like to go back in and through this on her scalps. And then after that, guys, I go in and I massage her scalps. I get it all in there, honey. I massage her scalps with it, and I'm telling you guys, I bet you that is one of the reasons why her hair is growing. And you know, massaging your scalps helps to stimulate your hair follicles. So that's another thing. Even without the black castor oil, I still massage her scalps. But even adding that to it, it's a 1 + 2, it's a win-win. So guys, this is my first one. This is my second one. If you do not have these products, guys, please, when you're done watching my video, go out and buy them. I got this from Walmart, but I got this from my local beauty supply. And this bottle right here, I think cost me $9.99 for the big bottle, and this smaller one was like $4.99 or $5.99, and these were from my local beauty supply. Now I want to go to my very next product that I also love, and I'm sure is number 3 for helping Charlie's hair grow, and that's this right here. You may have seen me use it in my video. I'm not sure if I have or not. If I have, it's probably once or twice, but usually I apply this on her hair before doing the video. And this is also black castor oil, guys. and this is hair food, but it's leave-in. It is leave-in, do you hear me? So I wash her hair, I detangle it, I condition it, I detangle it again, and I put this leave-in in it, and then we get into the videos and then we do a style. So again, we have that 1, 2, 3 for multiple resorts. So don't just stick with one, guys. And I'm not saying go out and overload yourself with products, because it's only about really 4 or 5 products on this table, and you don't use them all at the same time. So multiple products to get multiple results, okay? Moving on, guys, I want to show this to you, because if you do not have these and you have natural curly hair, kinky hair, all that stuff, you're doing yourself a disservice. So do yourself a service and go out and buy a wide tooth comb. Guys, I use this one for Charlie's hair when it's wet. After shampooing, when I want to comb through it. Guys, I use this one as a natural comb, wide tooth comb. I use it when her hair is dry. And I use it while styling her hair. So 1 + 1, guys, equal 2. Again, multiple things for multiple results, okay? So moving on. Next product on this table I want to show you is my detangling brushes. Different styles. I have several of them on this table. Now I'm going to show you 3 of them. When I wash her hair, if you watch my wash and goes, I'm going through her hair with it. I'm helping to detangle it while washing. If you watch when I condition her hair, I'm also going through. I'm detangling it while washing it. I'm detangling it while the conditioner is in. Again, guys, multiple things for multiple results. So don't just be stuck with one. Oh, I put the conditioner in, now I'm gonna rinse it out. No. Stop, bag up, detangle while conditioning. Yes, okay? So now we're moving on. You're saying, okay, well, what else do you have on that table? I have this. Guys, if you've seen me use this in my video, this is 6-in-1 curling cluster cream as well. It's moisturizing. It works as a detangler and also as conditioner. If you do not have this, guys, I got this from my local beauty supply, and this bottle cost me $6.99, and it really does last. And I use this on her ponytails, her braids. I do it on all. I do it for moisture and as well for shine, just like this one. So sometimes I like to switch off, but majority of the time you already know. This baby right here is my go-to, and I love it. So that's that one. And then also, since we're here, I want to show you this one, because this is another curling cluster that I've been using on Charlie's hair. Now this product is by Palmer's, and it's coconut oil curl styling cream pudding. And this is this, guys. And of course, when you open it, smells like coconut. This is coconut oil. I'm going to show you what it looks like, guys. It looks like that. It's white. It's a nice consistency. It's not too thick, not too thin. Forgive me for the hair you see in there, because we use this product for hair, and sometimes a little hair get left behind. So that is that. Moving on, guys, to our very next product on the table is these 2 babies right here. And I've used these in my last video, and people, what are they? What are you using? Da da da. So I said, you know, let me put this in a video so I can show you guys. I hope I got a good view of it. Both, okay? So one is the Argan and Castor Oil Shampoo. It's for repairing your hair, and it's by Joanne Jones. And then the other one is the Argan Conditioner, anti-freeze free, and it helps to hydrate and repair the hair. Both these products are by Joanne Jones, and they work fantastic. The shampoo, I love it. Look at this little squeeze top, and also for the shampoo. So we love that, and the shampoo lathers up very well, and it smells very fresh. And the conditioner works very well as far as detangling and softening up your hair after the follow-up with the shampoo. So both of these products I've been using, guys, and it has argan oil and castor oil in this shampoo. So that's another factor in helping hair grow. So again, guys, here we go. Multiple things for multiple results. That's it. Now, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel and you have not liked my video, I'm going to take a sip of my tea, and while I'm doing that, I want you to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. Done, guys? One more sip. Also, look at my cup. Isn't it so pretty? I love tea, guys. And all my tea drinkers out there, hit that like button one time. Toot toot. And I know it's a lot of you guys out there who drink coffee, and this is no shade, honey, but I do not like coffee. I have never liked coffee, and my mom used to make it in my house. You wake up and you wake up to that smell of coffee. I know you coffee drinkers like, I love it. Oh my God, I hated it. The house just smelled so like coffee in the morning. And then the taste of it, I'm like, okay, let me taste this. Let me see what the hype is about this coffee. tasted it, and I hated it. But no shade, you coffee drinkers. Y'all can hit like as well, but I'm gonna take another sip of my tea. Okay guys, on this table, if you have not been following my channel and you're saying, okay girl, get to that green bottle because I want to know what that green bottle is. But if you've been following my channel, you already know, honey, this is my Minty rice water. And we use it for hair growth, guys. If you have not watched my video on how to make this Minty rice water, I will link the link in the description box below. And also, I did a couple of other videos on rice water. It's how to keep it fresh. And if you've made rice water, if you've heard about it, sometimes it can get a little stinky. So you want to add something in it to keep it smelling fresh. So I used mint for mine, and no, it does not have a overbearing minty smell. It's just slightly, just to give it a fresh smell, and which is cool because I like to do use it as a rice water rinse. And speaking of that, I did a video on that, so also check that. I'm gonna leave that link in the description box as well. And you can use it as a leave-in or a rinse, guys, and it helps to grow your hair. So if you're following my channel, you're gonna see me pull out this green bottle and you automatically know I'm using rice water. So this is something else we've been using on Charlie's hair to make it grow. We have been using this now, I'm thinking about 3 to 4 weeks. And I'm gonna do a rice water update so you all can check out the length difference on Charlie's hair and how it has grown since I've used the rice water. It has grown, honey, it has grown. So if you have not started using rice water to help your children's hair grow or yours, you may want to start doing that now. Guys, you know, it's benefits from using rice water. Some say it even helps to get rid of dandruff. So if you have a problem with dandruff out there and you're saying, okay, enough of it, try the rice water. That's going to be one of the things you're going to benefit from. Another thing that you benefit from rice water is it contains vitamin B, C, and E. What? Those three vitamins right there are going to make your hair grow. And we're talking about long and fast. So why not grab a hold to this rice water and do it? Guys, a bag of rice and some water. Are you kidding me? You can do this at home. Look at my video in the description box below and follow that. It's so easy. It's so easy, anybody can do it. And my ways of keeping your rice water fresh and to save your rice water is another video. Check it out because you're gonna love that one as well. And another thing about rice water, it increases the shine in your hair and it makes your hair stronger. What? And it helps it grow longer. What? You cannot tell me you are not here for the rice water, honey. All these products are gonna give you what you want, and that's nice, strong, shiny, healthy, long hair. But guys, we're gonna end this video because I didn't want to make it too long, but these are the products that I'm using and I hope they help you out in your hair journey. Please go out and buy these products. Guys, if you can't go and buy them all, please do me a favor and go out and buy this for your kids' hair. And then go out and buy this, guys. You get these two, oh please, and then also get you a white tooth comb and this detangling brush. I'm not saying go out and spend your money. You don't have money for it all right now, whatever. Start with this. Start with this pudding. And start with this castor oil and get your white tooth comb detangling brush, guys. Start there and then come and join me on the rest of this. But I want you to start somewhere. So today, I want you to go out and I want you to buy this, and I want you to go buy this, and I want you to go buy this and this. Guys, this is what, 20 bucks, if that? Go and buy it. Guys, if you watched to the end of this video, I thank you so much and I put blessings on you and your family. Until next time, bye-bye.